Hello friends. Today's topic is taken from modern India. The title of this video is Gandhiji, Ambedkar, Jinnah and Pune Pact. Ambedkar seems to have promoted his opposition to Gandhiji as a principled one. Still, he continued to deploy explicitly Gandhian terms and practices like Satyagraha. Thus, he refused to be identified by enmity or hostility. For a while, Baba Sahib was obliged by political realities to spend an inordinate amount of time thinking and writing about Mahatma Gandhi. The reverse was not true. Baba Sahib is very rarely mentioned in Gandhiji's collected work. It is perhaps because of this asymmetry that those who pose Ambedkar against Gandhiji are reduced to relying on a single event, the Pune Pact of 1932. Ambedkar himself made of the Pune Pact the chief example of his fight with Gandhiji. But at the time it was signed, Ambedkar was assiduous in defending it against all critics. Pune Pact was agreed to protest the British granting separate electorates to the untouchables as a part of communal award. By its terms, Ambedkar relinquished or gave up separate electorates for the reservation that in later years he argued were ineffectual. Reservation to untouchables were ineffectual because it made Dalit dependent on caste Hindus' votes and support. Seen by Congress as well as Hindu nationalists as a divide and rule policy meant to keep India under British tutelage, separate electorates had also threatened to fragment Hindu as a community and reduce their majority relative to Muslim. Indeed, the grant of separate electorates to Dalit had come out of Minority Pact at Round Table Conference in London, where Ambedkar had allied with Muslim League and Jinnah. If Jinnah has more claim to be Gandhiji's rival, he also became an obstacle for Ambedkar. For Ambedkar, Muslim League's domination of opposition politics pushed his Dalit cause into the background. Despite many years of cooperating with the League, Ambedkar also knew that Jinnah would come to an arrangement with Gandhiji and his caste Hindu. Following that, would leave Dalit in political wilderness. Thank you for watching my video.